Hello, this is footage from yesterday, April 10th, 2025. It looks as if the second owlet is thinking seriously about leaving the nest. This was filmed around dusk, just before the sun set. The first owlet that left the nest earlier in the day is about 8 feet below, hidden kind of in the trees, so not easily visible, but has been fed by Mama Owl, Stella Blue. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Flapping those wings. Now look upon this. The other sibling checking out what's going on. You left the nest. Not 2 in one day. The owlets were born 2 to 3 days apart. So usually the fledge is staggered. So for this guy to come out on the same day that the sibling did is kind of interesting. I'm not sure if this little guy is ready, but it's definitely wanting to check things out. You and mom and sibling below getting fed. So we'll see what happens. But if you look at the live feed today, you can see that this little guy does eventually go back into the box later after dark when he was no longer visible. And will probably fledge in the next couple of days. Definitely really thinking seriously about it, as the smallest and last hatched is checking on the siblings. We did lose power yesterday, so our live feed was down all afternoon and evening until this afternoon when it got put back up. So hopefully we won't have any more issues with that, but we did have some down power lines down the road from us. It's so fun to watch these guys. Especially that wing movement.